Yo, Nat. Yo, what's good? Come on in, bro. Welcome to my new crib. So this is my newest building that I just purchased about 2 months ago, and I've been living here about a month ago, right? So this is a 3-bedroom, fully ensuite, semi-detached building that I just purchased, right? I'm going to disclose the price probably in the title of this video. But yeah, it's a mansion, as you can see, and I've been living here for the past 1 month, putting a lot of things together. That's why I've been really less active on YouTube, right? You can see here, my car has been very dirty because I've not really been going out a lot, and I don't really move out a lot, so it's really dirty. And yeah, so let me show you around, right? Coming in, you're entering my hall. Let me show you around the whole place. So this is basically my entertainment area. You should know that I put a lot of the stuff here together myself in terms of picking the colors and stuff like that with the help of my girlfriend though, right? So this is my entertainment area. I just purchased this new PS5, and then the colors of the furnitures, everything. I purchased most of my furnitures from Orca Deco, right? You guys know that Orca Deco, they have like really good products. And I read a lot, so you can see I've got like so many books here and then books here. Well selected, specifically selected titles and topics that are all self-help books and self-improvement books, right? So around here I've got some really interesting lighting works also working around, right? So this is just to spice up things. Sometimes it picks up my voice as well. When I say ambience off, it goes off. When I say ambience on, it turns back on, right? So it's also a little bit of spice for the hall. And this is my dining area. It picks up just 6 people at a go, right? It's also got its own lighting as well, and I can change the lighting to just spice things up as well around here. So that's this about my dining area and then my hall as well. Yeah, and this is my kitchen, right? So currently a lot of work is still ongoing. I told you guys that this is literally a new place, so I contracted some people to do some works around here, and I can see that they're kind of doing some good works. So hopefully by Sunday this place should be really all set. My kitchen should be fully functional, right? Yeah, so come on in, let me show you upstairs. So if you remember from my other apartment, I had these pictures right in front of my setup, right? These are some of the most inspiring people that have inspired me. Huge impacts in my career, my life, everything, right? I'm probably going to shoot a YouTube video about them separately, so I don't want to talk much about them now. Yeah, so like I told you down there, there's a 3-bedroom, right? So come on, let me show you. This is the first bedroom, 2nd bedroom. I've got a balcony here, but there's nothing really inside, so I don't see the point in showing you around. But yeah, this is my balcony as well, right? It shows you the aerial view of the whole place. For security reasons, I do not want to really show the whole neighborhood. But yeah, that's just about it. 1, 2, and that's my bedroom. So come on in, let's visit my master bedroom. Yes, this is my master bedroom. You can see I set up this place quite recently. The KOJOFOREX thingy here is a new thing that I just put there. Really nice. And this is the whole setup, right? So King of Blues always needs to sit on a blue chair, right? So this is the new crib. This is basically where I'll be shooting most of my next couple of YouTube videos. I'm going to be very consistent as much as possible so that we have like exciting content on the channel, I know that I've been really slow, right? So as much as we have been doing a little bit of thought, it also courtesy demands that I show you guys some chart works. Let's see what we can just talk about the market. Then we'll call this video a quit. Next video, I'm going to be doing a proper tour, probably when they are really done with the kitchen and stuff like that, right? Personal vlogs and stuff, and more chat works, more content, more educational videos to show you guys more about the market. It's a real season. It's a real season. Yeah, so it's been pretty much a very dull month for me. The month of April hasn't really been my month, right? Basically because of the way the market is moving and then my style of trading. You guys know that I'm a swing trader. I like to catch swing movements, right? And then this market has predominantly been in a very choppy range. So anytime I find an opportunity to find that kind of a 50, 60, 100, 200 pip movement, I kind of get the market ranging in a 30, 40, and then it reverses into opposite directions. So it's been really a sketchy month for me, but I hope next month, which is May, becomes the month that is going to be a game changer for me, right? So as a trader, one of the things that you should also know is that you got to be consistent even if the market is not favorable for you for a short period of time, right? So you get most beginners quitting and then being discouraged just because a few period of time wasn't going the way they want, right? So that's just about it. So if you're new on this channel, basically, maybe if you're new watching my YouTube videos, I'm KOJOFOREX, aka GBP Legend, aka Sniper Trader, aka King of Blues. So if you like this whole video, make sure to click on the like button, share it with your friends. Also make sure to click on the subscribe button to be a member of this channel. Also don't forget to follow me on all social media as KOJOFOREX, KOJOFOREX, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Also make sure to click in the link in the description to join the KOJOFOREX Telegram community, family of traders of about 16,000 who have been sharing free content, free trading signals, and a lot of people have been making a lot of money for free, right? So without much ado, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.